Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am doing another art journal page. This time I decided to just grab some stuff that I had stamped on tissue paper and just pick some of it at random and collage it down. And I saw a couple of postal type marks, so I figured that could sort of be the theme of my background anyway. This is my Delusions journal. Most of the pages are filled. I'm just working on finishing up the last few pages. So, yeah, just filling it with whatever. So I have a couple of par avion stamps, or yeah, is that how you say that? Par avion? Airmail by plane, something like that. Yeah, just want to put something in the background, then we'll add some color. And in May, the Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists Facebook page, so they do color prompts every month, and in May it was lilac, yellow, and green. I think those are the colors. So I figured I would try and do this page in those colors. Yeah, green was the last color. I couldn't remember. I had to go look at the page. So I've just put some of those out, and we're going to start with that for the background. We'll do some yellow and mixed a little bit of white with it. I know that makes it more opaque, so you might not see the layers as much, but I wanted to lighten that yellow that I had there. It seemed really intense. And that green is really thick. It's evergreen, and it's Adina Wakely paint, and it's older, so it's gotten a little chunky. Oh, and I think it's supposed to be lime green, so I'm fudging a bit. Adding the white helps it be less evergreen, right? More lime colored? Probably not, but you know, that was my takeaway. I'm trying to use what I have, because what I have is getting old, like that evergreen paint. It gets old, it gets thick, it gets chunky. The tubes get hard. Things happen, so it's good to use your supplies. So I just pulled out one of my dot stencils just to give some interest in the background. So I thought I would just add some polka dots, because why not? We can dot with our polka dots. So how is everyone today? I hope you're doing well. Not sure what day this is going to come out. Might be July-ish. I keep saying on each of my videos, I'm doing these way in advance to prepare for my vacation that I'm going on. I'm going to be gone for 3 weeks. So, and I just got done with the 100-day project. So that took up a lot of time, and I had to have breaks from that. So I did all this other stuff in the same time, during the same time. So I have lots of stuff. I should probably start thinking about focusing on something and doing more tutorial videos. I don't know. I just like to create and play. That's my favorite thing to do. Oh, sorry about that. I'm editing on my iPad and it just slipped. So you probably felt a little thud. I don't know. I was thinking maybe if I focused down on something specific and got more detailed, maybe I'd get more followers. I don't know. If you wanted to see something specific from me, what would it be? Let me know. If you see something of mine you like and you want more detailed information, I could try to do that. Just need some ideas. Love to hear your ideas. It has been a while since I've worked in this journal. I know I'm doing a bunch right now, but I have actually finished it now, and I've created a playlist, and in about a week from now, because I have one more, oh, maybe there's two. I don't know. I have a couple more pages that I've done that I'm going to upload if the video's good. And then I'll do the flip through. So, yeah. All right, so now I've got the background done. Just trying to think of what I was going to put on it. And I need to use that purple. So keeping with my original plan with this journal, I'm going with Dina Wakley stencils. I have one of her set of stencils that are these birds. So I thought it would be fun to, we'll do purple birds. Why not? Had to dry that one a little bit before I put the next one down because I didn't want to smear it. And I like my elements in groups of 3 or odd numbers. So we've got to put a third bird on here. And I want them all different sizes. And there's one other one that has the same shape. And I think he's aiming the other direction. And since all that paint is on my stencil, he's just going to have to aim the other direction. Because why not? Now, I felt like there wasn't enough contrast, so I'm going to... Do I do it here? Oh, I'm adding a little bit of the stronger yellow around the edge. I think I do that with the green too. Oh, and yeah, it's nice to be ambidextrous. I just swap hands whenever I want to. Not really. Not on everything. Just easy things like sponges. And sometimes scissors. Though I'm mostly right-handed, I think, when it comes to scissors. I'm right-handed about a lot of things, but I cannot write with my right hand. All right, so here's where I decide to add a little bit of the darker purple just to help those birds stand out a little bit. Just create a little dimension and make them less flat. Not getting into too much detail. Just a real simple plain page, I think. I'm sorry, my book is like always at the bottom of the page, bottom of the screen. I have a hard time like preventing it from going off screen. I still felt like they weren't standing out enough, so I think I go around them. No, I changed my mind, not black. We're going to go around them with some white. So I take my favorite white pen, gel pen, and we're going to go around them with some white. That'll help them stand out a little. Yeah, this white pen is by Sakura, and I'm so glad I found it. I've tried all kinds. I mean, I've done the Posca, you know, the white gel pen, the Uniball Signo, but this one is now my go-to. It writes on just about everything. I have not killed one yet. I can't say that for my other pens. Oh, and in the color challenge, you're allowed to use black and white and a metallic. So I have copper. It's called Penny. It's a Dina Wakley paint again. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that. It gets mixed in with the yellow because I just have that little space to work with. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that around the edges. I don't know, because it's got the yellow in it, I don't know that it's really a shiny gold color, but that was the idea. And I felt like it still needed something. I've got a little bit of white paint left, so I'm going to just blend some white around the edges of the birds. And I think I just do it on the yellow side, not on the green edge. But if you're interested in that Facebook group, it's the Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists. It's a really fun group. They have swaps and collaborations and challenges. They do a collage challenge every month too. I haven't done that one. The collage challenge. I think I tried one. Oh, there I'm doing a little bit on the green side. I think I tried the collage challenge once. I'm not really good with collage and instructions. Mostly because I feel like I have to find the exact thing they're looking for, which requires either shopping or printing or something. Where with color challenge, I go with the closest match I got in paint. So, all right, so I had this word soar, and I bought a package of stamps. So I thought it'd be fun to find some purple ones that match the birds. And then the word soar and a yellow piece of paper. You know, the only color I don't have on there is green, huh? Oh, well, there's green in the background. Just make a little cluster. So this one got some words. Well, and it's also got hello and stuff in other languages on there from my tissue paper stamping. Well, that one was probably a gel print. And those are real stamps, but they're used stamps, so you can't actually mail with them. So thought they were kind of fun. I bought a package. It didn't cost very much. It's a huge package. Never gonna get them all used. All right, so it's about finished. What do you think? You like it? I think I met the challenge. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. And I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day.